All right, thanks, Ashley. Here's a look at what's going on as we take a look at this big, long line of showers and a few thunderstorms that are starting to push through pretty much all of South Florida now. And we're still under a marginal risk for severe weather, although the biggest threats right now look like heavy rainfall and very gusty winds. All of this being driven by a cold front that will push through the area later on this morning and bring in some much cooler and drier air by later on today. So let's get right down to it on our first alert Viper radar. You can see the head, the very front of this line here. That's where we're seeing the most intense rainfall. You can see all the reds and yellows in there. And as we zoom in, that's moving through Jupiter into Cuesta and Palm Beach Gardens right now. Now there's some rainfall behind it, but this is really gusty winds and heavy rain here, moving right through Jupiter down to Palm Beach Gardens and to Cuesta. And if we track that for you, it's going to be over in Singer Island about 4:56, Pleasant City just after 5 o'clock. And then if we look back here in the line, which is around the acreage right now, that'll be moving into Wellington the next few minutes. Green Acres 5:01, West Palm at 5:03 this morning. Down a little farther south, Lake Worth at 5:10, Boynton Beach at 5:12, and then a little farther south than that, Del Rey at 5:24 and Boca at 5:29. Now, let's go to the back of this line of showers here where the drier air is. That drier air will be moving into Okeechobee at 5:39, Vero at 5:59, Port St. Lucie at 6:30. So that's what we're looking at, a drying out as we continue through the 6 o'clock hour, 7 o'clock hour. Should be clear the entire area by about 8 to 9 o'clock this morning. Let's get more on that forecast with meteorologist Katia Hall.
Okay, let's take a look at that with First Alert Vipercast, and what you're going to see is kind of what Glenn was just talking about, that rain starting to clear the area as we head into this morning. So here's a look at First Alert Vipercast showing that rain clearing the Treasure Coast, Okeechobee County around 6:30, 7 o'clock this morning. And then as we head into Palm Beach County, this computer model keeps lingering rainfall until about 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, and then everything should start to clear out of here. We'll see clearing skies throughout the day, and then the weekend is looking really nice. Here's a look at your First Alert 7-day forecast. Again, we're going to hold on to about a 90% chance for rain this morning, but then clearing conditions throughout the day as that front makes its way out of here. Daytime highs today only in the low 70s, and then for the weekend, mid to upper 70s, partly sunny skies, low rain chances. They're going to warm things back up into the low 80s as we head into the start of next work week.